We begin with a tragic developing story right now. A 26-year-old woman in the hospital. She was just weeks away from welcoming a baby girl into the world, and all that changed yesterday.
She came to this house to buy baby clothes when she was attacked and her baby cut out of her womb. Many questions about this tonight, but here's what we know. The baby was alive for a short time after she was removed.
And authorities say this is the woman responsible for all of it, Dynel Lane. She made her first appearance in court this morning. She's in custody right now on a $2 million bond, and Kristen Scovera is live in Boulder right now. And Kristen, no decision from the DA on charges.
No, not yet. A lot hinges on the baby's autopsy scheduled for tomorrow. Now, Lane made her first appearance, as you mentioned, here at the Boulder County Jail. We were here as she heard the charges she could face. The most serious charge, Class 1 felony of attempted murder in the first degree. That could change depending on that autopsy, which is being performed on the baby girl. And this autopsy, very important, so much so the defense would like an expert witness to be present.
And in this particular case, the cause of death is going to be essential to this case.
Now, criminal charges will be filed next Wednesday at 1:30. And of course, we'll keep you updated on the very latest. Live here at the Boulder County Jail, Kristen Scovera, 7 News.
And tonight we're learning a little more about who this woman is. Call 7 investigator John Ferrugia has been digging into the background of Dynel Lane, now accused of committing this horrible crime. And John, she has a medical background.
Eric, our investigation found that Dynel Lane once had a Colorado license as a nurse's aide, and that would at least give her some exposure to medical issues. She obtained that license in 2010. It expired in 2012. Now, there's no indication she ever worked in a surgical setting, but a doctor at the hospital where she took the baby noted that she had made a proper incision when she attacked that victim and speculated that she had researched cesarean births on the web. Now, in checking her background, we found she had money issues, debt collection, and some minor traffic violations, but no serious crimes. Now, Dynel Lane was registered on the pregnancy website and a baby registry showing clothing and other articles she needed for a baby that was listed as due on November 14th of last year. We also found an online obituary that reports that a woman under her married name lost a child in July of 2002. That obit reports that it was a 19-month-old boy who died. The Associated Press is now reporting that a relative explained that the child died in a small pond outside a home in Pueblo. Now, as we said, the attack took place in the suspect's home. We know that 2 children live at that home with Dynel Lane, but know now that the 2 were not at home at the time of the attack. I'm Call 7 investigator John Ferrugia.